This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: app installed, devices on the same Wi-Fi, and TV casting enabled. First, open Castplay TV on your phone and tap the device list. You should see your TV appear. If prompted, grant microphone and local network permissions so discovery works. Once done, select the TV name and wait for the pairing code. Enter it on your phone when requested. This practical start gets your devices talking and sets up a secure link for streaming immediately. Now you'll pick what to cast and fine-tune playback. Open the Source tab, browse local or cloud files, and tap the item to preview. This avoids casting corrupt or incompatible files. Next, tap Settings to select resolution and audio output. Choose 1080p for HD TVs or 720p for weaker Wi-Fi, and set audio to stereo unless your receiver supports pass-through. Once configured, add items to a queue or playlist. Then hit Cast to stream. This flow prevents stutters and keeps playback smooth. Finish by verifying playback controls work, pause, seek, and volume from your phone and remote. Save the active playlist for future sessions so you don't repeat setup steps. If the TV drops connection, first stop casting and reconnect. Then reboot the TV or router and reauthorize local network permissions on your phone. If latency remains high, above about 200 ms, use an HDMI cable as a reliable fallback. This final check ensures consistent performance and gives you one clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.